Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now, there are clouds and isolated showers and thunderstorms in our satellite imagery across sections of the eastern Caribbean. We do have a shallow trough system across that general area. We can see the clouds, showers and thunderstorms over the open waters of the east. We also have some streaks just further towards the west and over the central portion of the basin. There are isolated clouds, isolated thunderstorms as well across Hispaniola from that weak trough system over the central to eastern portions of the basin. And we also have daytime convergence, daytime convection rather, generating shower and thunderstorm activity across Cuba and also across sections of Jamaica. The forecast for tonight has generally fair skies across most of the island. We're expecting temperatures to drop to 25 degrees Celsius in Kingston, to 24 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. The winds are averaging 5 knots on both coasts, northerlies on the south coast and east-southeasterlies on the north coast. In the morning tomorrow, it's generally sunny across the area. For the afternoon, it's partly cloudy across western parishes, but we do have isolated showers across inland areas and generally fair conditions elsewhere. Temperatures 34 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect another generally sunny day over the southeast. As you move further west, you can expect some showers and possible thunderstorms in Mandeville, with some clouds in the afternoon in Santa Cruz, in Savannah Lamar, Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Generally fair conditions are likely across much of the northeast. We have some clouds in the afternoon in Brownstown, some isolated showers in Golden Spring, also in Christiana and Grange Hill, cloudy conditions in the afternoon for Duncan's, K Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Now, the next few days keeps those isolated showers across sections of inland areas and western parishes Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Now, the winds are picking up tomorrow. We're expecting them out of the east-northeast on the north coast, averaging 10 knots with wave heights reaching a meter. The winds are likely to get to 50 knots from the east-southeast over inshore areas tomorrow, and so those wave heights get up to 1.5 meters. And over offshore areas, the winds are also likely to reach 50 knots, wave heights getting up to 1.5 meters. Conditions remain much as they are over the next few days. 50 knots, that's what the maximum wind we're expecting in offshore areas for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 27 past 6, 6:13, Mandeville 6:33 in the Grill. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Thank you so much for watching.